Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send a gift through Amazon internationally. This is perfect when you want to surprise someone special who lives in another country, and Amazon makes the whole process pretty straightforward. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Now, here's an important note before we move forward. You must add the item to your cart first before you can enable the gift option. This is a crucial step that many people overlook, so make sure you do this right from the start. In the upper right corner of the page, click on Cart. Alternatively, if you haven't selected a gift yet, you can search for your item first and browse through the options before adding it to your cart. Once you're in your cart, take a look at what you have there. If you happen to have multiple items in your cart, you'll need to uncheck the boxes next to the items you don't want to send as gifts. This ensures you're only gifting the specific item you intend to. Now, navigate to the product you want to gift. You'll see a checkbox that says this is a gift. Go ahead and click the box beside it. This simple action tells Amazon that you're sending this item as a gift rather than keeping it for yourself. After you've done that, look to the right panel and click Proceed to Checkout. This will take you to the next stage where you'll set up the delivery details. In the delivery address section, click Change. This will open up options for you to modify where the gift is being sent. From there, click Add a new delivery address. This is where you'll enter all the recipient's information to ensure the gift reaches them in the correct location. Look for the field labeled Country/Region. Below it, click the drop-down menu and select the country or region where you want to send the gift. This is especially important for international shipping as it determines the shipping options and costs. Next, enter the recipient's first and last name in the designated fields. Make sure the spelling is accurate to avoid any delivery issues. After that, add their phone number. This helps the carrier contact them if needed during delivery. Then enter the full address, including the city, state, and zip code. Double-check all these details to ensure everything is correct, as any mistakes could delay or misdirect your gift. Once you've filled in all the information, click Use this address to confirm it. Now select your payment method. Amazon will show you the available options linked to your account, so choose the one you prefer. Finally, click Place your order to complete the purchase. Amazon will process your order and send the gift directly to the international address you provided. And that's it. You've successfully sent a gift through Amazon internationally, making someone's day no matter where they are in the world. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.